Everyone, this is my antenna shield, and this is the, this is the the, the core part of the CM5. This is the old one. This is the new one, and the newest one is on the way. Yes, and this we see that, yeah, it is solid, and this height and the same to this height, and this nail. You see that this nail is longer, and to other hairs, yeah, other hairs, and we suggest you to glue some, glue some. We have already sent to you this one. Glue some here, and yes, they put on here, and as a test. Yes, because this here is flexible, and you need all these here. Yeah, to make it installation as well, and plug in here. Yes, and yeah, we put we see that the nail is out a little, and we just put this here. Yeah, you need to glue some this one thermal grease on here. Yes, and we suggest, and the next start is yes, we can test for this one. Yes, a little. Oh yeah, antenna. Yes, we must put the antenna like this angle. Yes, and as we see that, what will have happened? Yes. Yeah. It looks on the how many? No, on the knee. This may be the 8th one. Okay. And it is. Yes. Yeah. Don't. First man is smoothly, no need to. Yes, and here. And the first we need. Yes, I don't need. Yeah, we say that. Yeah, if wait for a minute. Yes, yeah. Yes, what's it? And it's just a little straight and can't carry it down. Well, we see. What can we see that and is our light here is. Yes, it's just Yeah, I think that is reconnect well. Yeah. Yeah, can I see that? Yeah, that's what we see. I think the dimension, I think that doesn't have any problem. Even the thing that is not connected well, and you can put some thermals in this side. Yes. This. Yeah, it's normal. Of the value sound. And let's see the can you see this? Under this side, if you buy antenna and the colors, we send free to you, okay? And the one who has already buy this thermal and but who has already buy this color card and this antenna, reconnect me and I send this free for you when you next buy my product. And our keyboard is coming, and if you have interest, we send it free to you. Okay? This one and this one, if we lost this free if you buy this one, and this is similar, and this is similar. If you have already buy CM5 core pad and antenna, we send this for you. Okay, just reconnect me. Okay, when you buy my product. Okay. Okay.